Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in Electronics and Communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course guys for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose or else to write the short notes purpose or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine, so you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwani Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course, fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want to check out how the educator is dealing the subject and all these things, then after entering into the profile link, you just scroll down, you will get the special classes. In this special classes, okay, just click on this see all, and whatever the different special classes, okay, I took or else the educator took, okay, you can see at a glance here. So here all the special classes can be accessed by anybody. It is completely free of cost, so you need not to pay. So here I may check down the lot of special classes are there. So you can go through all these videos so that you will get one idea how the educator is dealing the subject. So if you are impressed the way of style of dealing the subject, okay, and if it is the exactly matching your wavelength, then you can take the subscription plan, guys. Okay, so it is completely transparency. So it is not just like a closing something and showing something. Okay, so it is completely transparent is that. So you can check down the way of dealing the subject with the help of this free recorded classes. Okay, by entering into the special classes, and then you go to the subscription plan. Okay, if you once like. And one more thing is that after completion of each and every 3 sessions, one doubt clearing session will be there. So you can ask your doubt, whatever the queries you are having, you can clear your doubts. Fine. So this much of wonderful opportunity is provided by the Unacademy, guys. So Unacademy is the best friend to you to crack the JRF. Fine. So utilize the opportunity and take the subscription plan. The batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, the electronic science as well as the paper one. Okay, so hurry up and use the referral code, guys. Don't forget to use the referral code that you will get the 10% discount. Okay, so here it is ASWINIK, and then go to the proceed to pay. Fine. So all the best to all of you. Thank you, guys.